Ever stared at a pile of receipts, dreading the hours you'd spend manually entering data, and wondered, isn't there a better way? I mean, seriously, in this age of instant everything, why are we still wrestling with expense reports like it's 1999? You're not alone. And if you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone who wants to get their finances in order, you've probably heard of Expensify. But the real question burning in your mind is, how much is this magical receipt scanning, expense automating app going to cost me? Let's dive right in. Expensify isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and its pricing reflects that. They cater to a wide range of users, from individual freelancers to large corporations, so the cost varies depending on your needs. First off, let's talk about the free version. Yes, you heard that right. Expensify offers a free plan for individuals and small businesses. This plan allows you to scan unlimited receipts, track mileage, and submit basic expense reports. It's perfect if you're just starting out and need a simple way to manage your expenses. However, the free plan does have limitations. For instance, you might not have access to advanced features like automated approvals, custom reporting, or integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Now, if you're looking for more robust features, you'll need to consider their paid plans. Expensify offers two primary paid tiers, Collect and Control. The Collect plan is designed for individuals and small teams who need more advanced expense tracking and reporting capabilities. This plan typically includes features like automated coding, multi-level approvals, and enhanced reporting. The pricing for the Collect plan is generally per active user per month. This means you only pay for the employees who actually use the app. Keep in mind that the exact price may vary depending on the specific features and integrations you require. For larger businesses with complex expense management needs, Expensify offers the Control plan. This plan provides enterprise-grade features like advanced policy controls, custom workflows, and dedicated support. It's designed for companies that need to manage a large volume of expenses and ensure compliance with complex regulations. Again, the Control plan is priced per active user per month, but it typically comes with a higher price tag than the Collect plan. It's important to note that Expensify's pricing can change, and they often offer discounts for annual subscriptions. So, it's always best to check their website for the most up-to-date pricing information. Beyond the core plans, Expensify also offers add-ons and integrations that can impact the overall cost. For example, if you need to integrate Expensify with a specific accounting software or CRM, there might be additional fees. Similarly, if you require custom development or dedicated support, you'll likely need to pay extra. To get a precise quote for your specific needs, the best approach is to contact Expensify's sales team directly. They can assess your requirements and provide a tailored pricing plan. Don't hesitate to ask questions about specific features and integrations to ensure you're getting the right plan for your business. In essence, Expensify offers a flexible pricing structure that caters to a wide range of users. From the free plan for basic expense tracking to the enterprise-level control plan for complex financial management, there's likely a plan that fits your needs and budget. Remember to consider your specific requirements and explore all available options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.